So the idea with this assignment is that students would all be given access to the same Google Doc. They are reading different novels in small groups, 5 different novels, 5 different small groups. And for this assignment, they get together in their small group and they talk about what's been happening, which characters seem important, and then they go through and they pick out which quotes seem the most important, telling, interesting, exciting, etc. so far in their novel, and they enter them on the Google Doc, and each group has a table that's been inserted in the Google Doc that has a place for them to put their name, the quote, and then why they chose it. And then they'll work on this several times throughout this unit. And then at the end, everyone, since they have access to this Google Doc, will come back to it and make some kind of presumptions or guesses about what the novel must have been about for the novels they didn't read, since they only read 1 out of the 5 novels. So they'll get to do some kind of metacognition as well as some deeper thinking about their novel that they're reading. And it also included very on-task discussion where we encourage them to talk about the novel and figure out and argue about why certain quotes were more important than other ones. So that is what I call novel graffiti, and the idea is there's just this big wall full of quotes from each novel, and you really can get an interesting glimpse inside of each novel, even though you haven't read it.
This is like the sun also rises. What does that like mean for us?
See, that's what I mean.
Like it rises after they like wake up and super drunk or something.
I don't know. Well, right now, like the main thing that's like even really happening, which still isn't, is that Brett and Jay are friends. It's like
I know. Like I read her body like laying down, and I was like, what? This is